favorite storybook? What is your favorite storybook that you always like to read?
Anne and Green Gables.
Anne of Green Gables. Can you tell me a little bit of Anne of Green Gables, the story? What is the story about?
Anne and Matthew and
What do they do?
they are farmers and they don't help and then they were supposed to have a boy but they got a girl so they were shocked.
Oh, they were shocked. So what did they do with the girl?
But Matthew loved the girl so she kept him.
Oh, she kept him. Oh, wow. How often do you read Anne of Green Gables?
Every time.
Every day, almost every time you get. Have you seen the play or the show?
No,
No?
never.
Never? Do you want to?
Yes.
Have you asked your mom?
No.
No? Why don't you ask your mom? Here, let's practice. How would you ask your mom if you want to go to the show?
I will say, I want to go to the show, Mom.
Well, I think you need to be sweeter and nicer to your mommy for her to say, okay, you can come. So you have to do it nicely. Let's say I'm your mom. How would you beg me to go to the show?
I want to go to the show, Mom.
Oh, that's very sweet. Maybe your mommy will take you for Christmas. Let's just hope so.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Francesca. What's your favorite sport?
I like golf.
Golf?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a new one. Show me your golf swing. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. How far can you hit the golf ball?
220 or something.
220?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
220? I hit 200 max. Wow. Okay. Do you go to the golf course?
Yes.
Do you do the score?
No, mom did.
Mom does the score?
Yeah.
Do you score well or do you score so-so?
188.
Oh, okay. That's so-so.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Do you want to be a professional golfer?
No,
No? Why not? You're so good. Why not?
it's crazy. So
It's crazy.
yeah,
What's
chaotic.
crazy? Chaotic. Nice word.
So hard. So
It's very hard.
yeah, I don't want to do like so. Everyone knows some name mark.
Okay, so you don't want to be famous.
Yeah, I don't want to be famous.
You
Yeah.
don't want to be famous.
Yeah.
But you're already famous. You're on camera. You're already famous. You're going to be famous. Say hi to the world.
Hi.
Welcome to Felice Tamamura International School.
My name is Carter. I am in grade 6. My favorite subject is science.
My name is Julie. I'm in grade 6. My favorite subject is PE. Let's visit grade 1. What are they learning?
Come on.
This is grade 1 art class.
What are you doing?
I am doing paper patterns.
What color are you using?
I'm using pink, blue, and yellow.
Good choice. See you later.
Let's visit grade 3.
This is grade 3 English class.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Curious George.
I read it too.
I'll check it out. We are going to be late.
Come on, hurry.
This is grade 5 English class.
Hi guys.
What is your favorite memory?
I like to visiting at Damian Memorial School. I like playing with the dolphins.
That's all the time we have today.
Sign up for